EOV, a compact commercial embroidery machine built for long-hour stability. Designed for small shops and growing studios that handle real customer orders, not just hobby projects. With 15 needles and automatic color change, EOV reduces manual thread switching and keeps multicolor production moving. Start embroidery in 3 simple steps. Choose your design. Place your fabric. Start stitching. With Wi-Fi transfer and InStitch OS 4, daily workflow becomes clear and predictable. From caps to apparel, EOV supports repeat orders with consistent, sellable results. Stable performance, predictable output, a clearer path from order to delivery and from production to profit.